Hey, guess what, man? I'm with two of the pretty girls, Miss Aloha May, Miss Ocha. But hey, who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shakara man in the pan. Yes, sir. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something even more exciting. I'm gonna do a dessert for you. I'm actually gonna grab this Pillsbury dough. Before it was a skinny long one, but this is like a grand, it's a kind of big one. Now I'm gonna make donuts with this. So on the heat here, dump in some oil. Okay. Now you're gonna put kind of plenty of oil in there. Right? So we're gonna deep fry it. And all I do is I grab this. You know, when you open this thing here, it's kind of interesting. It makes a big sound. Okay. There you go. You see? And I'm gonna make some donuts with this, okay? All you do, you grab this biscuit, make a hole right in the middle, just like this, okay? See the hole? Huh? Just like that, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna make like 4 donuts, and I'm gonna make some malasadas, small balls, maybe 1 foot, okay? Just like that. Okay, I think it's just about ready. Fry the donut. Okay, I think it's just about done. You will take it with some hand towel, put on the donut. Just like this, and let it drip go. Donut. Grab the donut. Some sugar. You can make all kind of glaze. You can I just put sugar in here, but you can put like cinnamon and anything in here. Then I'll put the rest of the malasadas inside. Okay, just about done here on the malasadas, the mini malasadas, just like this, so it fries faster and fries evenly. There you go, malasadas, mini malasadas. Oh, baga is ono. Oh! As they say in Portugal, it's consola. Pillsbury dough donut. That guy's good, man. Until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha, awesome.